I always like to start with the nose because I just find if you go from top to bottom on a face, it's actually tougher because something always goes wonky with the proportions. I like putting in just the eye sockets, but it is good to get in. At the very least, with the eye, I like to put in the upper lid. The upper lid is more important, and then definitely some of the eyebrows. You have to mess things up before you get them to where you want them to be, and that's okay. It really is. Your drawing has to look kind of crappy for a long time before you make it look better, and that's okay. This is what I like to call the rug of tone, what I'm putting down right now. If you were to move into a new apartment, you got to put in the rug first, right? Like if you try to put in the chairs and then you try to put in the rug underneath, oh, you're not going to have a good time. So that's what I'm doing right now is I'm just rolling out a big rug of tone just to get in the darkness. Like the hair is really cool. He's got amazing hair. I just want to block in the rest of the hair and then I'm really going to get into the facial features. I'm not drawing like this. I find if you draw like this, it's very tight. So if I hold the pencil like this, then I can get in bigger areas a lot faster. Try to draw the skull. Everybody has a skull. I hope you do. If you put in the skull, it'll make the face feel a little bit more structured. I got to do a little more forehead, not quite ready yet. Things like the lower eyelid and the bags under the eyes, they're pretty important. Like they show the character of the person. Little skin wrinkles that are on his lip, like that's pretty important because that gives the lip more texture. This is an eraser stick. And it's really good if you want to pull out a really bright highlight. Kneaded eraser. And I just start like pulling out highlights. Like he's got back there and up here. So the kneaded eraser, it's like you're smudging, but you can control it better. Because I find when I smudge with my hand, things just get really messy really fast. And so I really enjoy the kneaded eraser because you can almost like sculpt it. More on this side. Like, isn't that fun? See down here in the beard, I'm not going to color it in. I'm just going to put like little patches of shading. Okay, so let's draw some individual hairs down here that come down like this. You'll notice by the hairline that I'm making it not very sharp. It's pretty soft. When you draw, you're like on a roller coaster. I really feel like that. I'm like, I love it. I hate it. I love it. I hate it. Like a lot of people, I think, they think that when they draw, it has to get better, 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 better. But it's rarely like that. I don't think drawing is like that at all. I think most of the time, it's a total roller coaster.